Yeah, that dark spot's concerning right there. You can even see the hole there, but it's not draining, so that's a good thing. So I'll go hook this up and I'll come. Two horses over there. Holy shit. Hey, there's tobacco over here. There's tobacco here. That's from us. Well, the hole we made. Sketchy makes sketch over here. We have to ride the shore the whole way here. There's still 13 inches of ice, 14 inches of ice, but about 5 inches of that is rotten ice. And then we have these dark spots. The dark spots acting like draining holes. That's concerning. So we hook onto the net and then we drag it out to that end. How much? 12? She's out over there pretending she's a bird. You gotta put this clip back on the other side and then hook up the net reel. Keep your clips in order. These Johnson nets have kind of tangle up on themselves. So we hook up here. Doesn't go under. All right, here we go. Now to go meet up with her and start pulling the net out. So how much black ice and how much white ice do you have? 4 white? Okay. So we hardly lost any. To the side. Can you hold this? I'll pull that to the side. That just makes it easier to reset. Oh, it smelled like fish on the other side. There we go. Whitefish. Oh, that's a Cisco.
Oh.
Still good. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't understand how to get that out of there. Come here, Mr. Cisco. Cisco or big herring? Just gonna reach in here for your knife. I can put that thing on for you. Yeah. Okay. Sucker. See, band member.
Yeah. Band member, you're gonna live. See you today. That net.
Oh shit, he did.
I guess he likes it there. Never. Silly guy. Come the other way. Go to the north.
Not only that, he got himself in there better this time. Okay, get out of here. I saw him swim right in there. Oh shit, my net reel went in the hole. Seems to be okay there. Now that one's bigger.
Oh, you band member.
Sorry. They make nets that are like triple layer that would ever suck to untangle stuff. Here, I'll just throw them on this side of the net here.
This one?
Right here. Okay.
Go, fishy, go!
Right into the net.
Jeez.
You must want the practice. Okay, get out of here. Come on.
Look at his nose. Is that cobra? That's it. One Cisco. Well, it'll be better tomorrow. It'll just be harder to get here. All right, so right now we have most of it in there. She's just kind of hooking up her anchor lines and kind of untangling it. What's going on over here, as you can see, the windmills is we got at least a 35 kilometer an hour wind with 60 kilometer an hour gusts. Well, that's what the weather network says, but you can tell it's over 30. I've been out here on a boat before like this, and it's awful. So once she gets hers in, I'm going to pull mine, and then I'm going to hook up the bottom and then the top here. Oh, looks like my net reel almost took a tumble. Well, that just goes to show you. Look what we got. For all this effort, we got a Cisco, which isn't all that bad. I'm not catching 200 fish. And now we repeat the process. Pull everything in from the other side. So here we are again. Side. Oh, a little bit of a twist there. Okay, that's not bad. Anchor line hookup. Float line hookup. Make sure you don't drop your anchor into the net, into the meshes. There she goes. There she goes. Then you just make sure you got tension on this thing. You don't want a droopy net. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that'll be fun. When netting, always choose appropriate conveyances, like a 252 stroke with studded tires or an Outlander 1000 XMR. How'd you make out?
Oh, alright. Holy, I feel tired.
It's hard, and that wind makes it way harder.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Fun though, I like pulling the net in the wind. It's,
It really sucks when you're in the water, open boat there, and then it hangs up on everything in the wind.